In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge Audacity tracks quickly and easily, even if you're brand new to audio editing. This is a super useful skill if you're working on a podcast, music project, voiceover, or any recording where you want to combine multiple tracks into one clean mix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to select your tracks and use the right menu option to merge them the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Audacity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Audacity and look at the tracks you want to combine. To start selecting them, click the first track you want to merge. Then hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click the track header of the other tracks you want to include. This lets you select multiple tracks together without losing your first selection. If you want to select everything in the project at once, you can also press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. That's a fast way to highlight every track currently in the timeline. Once your tracks are selected, go up to the top menu and click Tracks. From there, choose Mix, then click Mix and Render. Audacity will combine the selected tracks into a single track, which is perfect if you want to simplify your project and move forward with one merged audio file. If you want to keep your original tracks and create a new combined version instead, you can use Mix and Render to New Track. This is a great option if you want to preserve your separate tracks while still making a merged copy for editing or exporting. After that, you'll see the new mixed track appear in your project. You can listen back to make sure everything sounds right, and then continue editing or export your final audio when you're ready. And that's it. You've now learned how to merge Audacity tracks using both the standard mix and render method and the option to create a new track. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Audacity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.